everyone! It's Christmas Day and of course, magsisimba kami. Pupunta kami sa Our Lady of Perpetual Help. See you in a while!
With the blessed and
After namin mag-church, nag-explore kami, sumakay kami ng caddy car. And it's free lang na ride. Thank you. So we just arrived sa gateway. Ito ang gamit namin na sakay, guys. Super cute.
free na. Binaba kami sa gateway.
It's lang for free. Super cute. Madali lang siya. It's just a brief ride. Pero at least fun siya. Fun experience kasi for free lang.
Since it was Christmas Day, we decided to make our dinner date a little more special. So we ate at World's Kitchens. The dishes here are created by famous chefs from around the world, so we were really looking forward to try their food. They also have menu displays outside, which makes it easier to decide what to order before going in. When we got inside, the place looked really nice and the waiter gave us a QR code so we can place our orders.
Guys, we just ordered some food sa dito sa World Chef's Restaurant. I ordered 2 types of Indian food and then si Nico Chinese food, right? Chinese food. And then nag-order din ako ng cocktails and drinks and some appetizer and dessert. So titikman natin kung masarap ba siya. Sure, of course masarap siya kasi world famous chefs daw yung mga nagluto dito. I'm just not sure gano'ng kasarap. By the way, this is what we actually cost. And ito yung parang order ko. Ayan. This is my order. Nasa siya, 1,000 something lang naman siya. Pero, na siya for me, medyo tipid siya. Tipid. I mean, sulit siya kasi world famous chef yung nagluto and recipe nila yung gamit. For like, ilan yung na-order ko, I don't know. Pero titignan natin yung serving kung worth it din ba. Guys, dumating na yung dalawang order ko. Okay, first is itong Delhi Ki Pani Puri. This one is 230 pesos. Ito siya. 3 bola with parang shot glass na drink. I'm not sure anong magiging lasa niya. Tapos, isa pang Indian food na parang gusto kong i-try is itong butter chicken with plain basmati rice. Morg Makhani ang pangalan niya in parang Indian version. Parang gano'n. So, maybe titikman ko na first yung parang yung appetizer ko. Yung appetizer! Ayan. So first, ito try natin yung kani puri. Ganito daw siya kinakain. Lagay dito. Tapos titikman ko siya. Refreshing. Yung lasa niya super refreshing. For me, refreshing siya, guys. I like it. Next, try natin yung drink na puto bumbong. Which is akala ko na dessert siya. Drink lang pala siya. May mga siya dito. Wow. Alcohol drink na puto bumbong. Yung essence at saka lasa ng putong bongbong, natitikman ko talaga siya. Pero, hindi siya yung parang basic lang na putong bongbong na lasa. Yung essence lang niya. I don't know how they remade it, pero yun talaga yung lasa niya. Tapos isa naman itong cherry slush with alcohol, the pineapple. Oh. Mas malakas yung alcohol. Mas malakas yung alcohol taste nito para sa Totobombo. This one is actually much more sweeter compared dito. Love it. Next, let's go sa parang curry. Ano ba to? Nakalimutan ko ang pangalan. Basta biryani. Legit, ay. Tignan mo yung patak, yung ng kanin. Sobrang, tignan mo, di ba? Parang hiwa-hiwalay talaga siya na kanin. So, try natin to tikman. If this one is actually like kanin at saka sauce. Mas malakas yung yung curry flavor na natitikman ko. Mas malakas yung spice kumpara sa sweetness. Parang legit na curry talaga siya. Lambot ng kanin. Love it. We're going to try this Chinese or like Japanese thing, but I think this it's kind of similar to Japanese cuisine kasi always ko siyang nakakain sa Japan. So I'm gonna taste if siya, yung lasa niya. Actually, this one is a set meal. Yeah. This one is stir-fried tofu with soy sauce and toge. Yeah, siguro dahil sa ganun talaga yung lasa ng tofu. Kaya medyo parang off siya, tofu or parang tokwa. Let's see. I'm gonna try to parang have a sip of the broth. Parang siyang beef stock na lasa niya. And then, parang may lang siya, raw chives on the side. Ito nasa Japan din to eh. Cucumber salad or parang pickled cucumbers. Yung lasa niya parang okay lang din. Next is parang itong, what do you call this one? Parang brisket or something. Pork with soy sauce din. Tender naman siya. Pero parang, I don't know. Siguro parang walang something special sa sa dish. Or siguro parang parang standard, Japanese standard, na parang gano'n. Masarap naman siya, tender yung pork. Pero I'm looking for the cake or the sweetness. Parang medyo bland yung seasoning. Sorry. Medyo bland yung seasoning sa akin. Yun lang naman.
And for the bathroom check at World's Kitchens, I actually like it because they have a Japanese bidet and it's really clean. And before heading home, we walk around the place, and as you can see, it's very spacious. They offer a wide variety of food, drinks, desserts, which is a big plus. However, my only concern was the service. Since we paid an extra service charge for the waiters, I expected better service. Unfortunately, they seem a bit grumpy and they spilled their drinks and soup a couple of times before serving. I understand that it's Christmas season, but always remember, good food is everywhere, but good service makes it unforgettable. So if I'm going to rate the food, ambience, and overall service experience, I'd give it a solid 2.5 out of 5. This is Shala Vargas, and I'll see you on the next adventure. See ya!